Sige, tanungin mo na lang yung mga bumibili ng bigas diyan, yung pumupunta ng palengke everyday to purchase rice. May tag 20 pesos ba talaga na bigas?
Sila, meron, nag-roll out sila, Mayor, in select locations nationwide.
But it's a subsidy of the
Exactly.
government.
Subsidized. Yes, yes,
It's
yes.
not the actual price. It's not
Correct.
an actual market price.
Correct.
So, ang ginawa doon, kumuha na naman sila ng pera, bumili sila ng bigas at a lower cost or at the market price, tapos binenta ng gobyerno
20.
ng tag 20. But it doesn't mean na yung actual market price talaga ng bigas na may 20 pesos na bigas. It's a subsidized program of the government. It's not the actual market price of rice. Hindi kasi if you really want to subsidize yung bigas, just give it to them for free. Kasi may pera naman talaga. Pero dapat selected na doon kailangan kung sino yung nangangailangan talaga. Ilibre mo na lang yan. But the actual market price, di mo talaga ma-change yan unless you improve the economy. So, hindi yung bibili ka ng bigas from somewhere, using the government's money, then, turn it into a program, tapos sasabihin mo, 20 pesos yan na bigas. That's different from the actual market price.